value. Letter A says what? What number is letter A telling me? What number is letter A telling me? I'm ready to give out some stars and some energy tickets. Kaylee, what letter A telling me? Rapid tracking, point tracking. And 4/10. Excellent. So letter A says 4/10. Say it.
4/10.
Letter B says what? Letter B says what? Donald? We're place value right next to the tenths. And 400ths. Let's say 400ths.
400ths.
Excellent. Let's look at letter C. Let's look at letter C. Look at all the place values. 40 hundredths. Say it.
40 hundredths.
Last but not least, we've got letter D. Oh, I love the music. Proud mouth, hands in the air. Christopher. Nice tracking instantly. Oh, just what? Just 4 holes and 0 hundredths. 4 holes and 0 hundredths. Say it.
4 holes and 0 hundredths.
All right, our place value is going to be super important. Are these decimals the same? Are these all representing the same value? I see 4s and 0s in all of them. Are these all representing the same value? We're about to turn and talk, leaving all materials down. Explain to your partner why these decimals are not representing the same value. All materials down, turn, and talk. Nice, consensus, really talking.
It's 40 and 400 is 4.
Okay.
And 40 hundred is.
Good. The different place values. Good job. Good. All right, coming back to me in 3, 2, 1, and 0. How do I know? How do I know that these are not the same? Hiram, how do we know? I can track it from Barat, I can track it from Delani and Madison. That 4 is in a different place value. Sometimes it's in the tens, sometimes it's in the hundredths. I'm looking for people. Donnie, this is your deduction. Leave it down in the groove of your desk. Excellent. Jahiram gave an excellent answer. We know that it's in a different place value. We're going to get a chance to do this on our own. Pick up your marker and let's all make our place value chart on our desk. So I should see your desk looking like this. 1 column for tens, 1 column for ones. Decimal point to separate my wholes from my parts. 1 column for tenths, and then 1 column for hundredths. So I should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to get that done.
Taisha's got her place value chart on her board, on her desk.
Nice. Norma's got his place value chart. Let's write down that place value chart on our desk.
You don't have to do anything. That's perfect.
All right, maybe about 10 more seconds. I should see all of your place values written out. Cap it and put it down. 5, 4, 3, cap it, put it down. 2, 1, cap, and put it down. In
Even if you're not done.
0. Juan's marker is down, Donnie's marker is down. Alright, my marker is going to be down in the groove of my desk. I decimals that I need to put into my chart. Let's do that first one together. So your marker is going to stay down. You're going to get a turn. Excellent tracking from constants. Tony's materials are still down. Letter A says 4/10. Says what?
4/10.
So when I see this, I'm going to put a 0 in my ones place, my decimal point, and a 4 in my tens place. Pick up your marker, make your desk look like the board. Xavier's marker instantly in his hand, tracking the board and making sure his desk is going to look like the board. That 4 is in my tenths place. Once you have 4/10, I want you to put 400ths in your chart, 40 hundredths in your chart, and 4 wholes in your chart. We didn't get started on it. You should have all 4 of those numbers in your chart. 1 minute, write all 4 numbers nice and neat, excellent angel, in that chart. You can go ahead and write the rest of them in the chart. Alright, you have 30 seconds. You should be done with letter A and B. Moving on to letters C and D. Excellent. Amy is pacing herself correctly. Dwight is already done. Alright, cap and put it down. 5, 4, 3, leaving it down. 2, marker is down. 1, in 0. Put your marker down into the groove of your desk. 6.
Now, Sarah, I'm noticing we're having a hard time with getting the marker down quickly. Let's do that the next time we put the markers down. The first 3 people that have their markers down will get stuff. When it's time to move to the next thing, we have to have our markers away so we can keep learning, okay? Alright, let's track the board.
Alright, what place value is right to the right of my decimal point? Right to the right of my decimal point. Delaney, what place value is right to the right of my decimal point? Net tracking Angel, net tracking Samaj, net tracking Constance. What place value is right here? My tenths are right to the right of my decimal point, and then I have my hundred. So what Jahira has already told us, we know that those numbers are not the same because they're in a different place value. My 4s and my 0s are in a different place value. What do I notice? How do I know which 2 look similar? Let me write them up in the chart. Which 2 look similar? Correct. Which 2 look similar?
Oh!
Oh, I'm saying constant